going to work with the following tools. The first one, how do we make line guides that are really useful for us to then start drawing? So with the measurement tool, tape measure tool, we can create one line guide. Sometimes we need to do like a little zoom in until we see like on edge. One left click of the mouse we press, and then we can write down 3 feet, for example, enter. And here in length, we have it. So we create a parallel line 3 feet from here, from this line. We can do the same here. So for example, one click of the mouse, one left click of the mouse, 2 feet, enter. And supposedly we want a line with a degree. We can use the protractor, this one. So for example, I'm gonna select one left click of the mouse, then in the other corner, in the other end point of this line, second left click, and the third click, we're gonna like write down the degree, for example, 47 angle, no? So then we press enter. So we have a line that is 47 degrees from my first line, second line. So first click, second click, third click. Instead of clicking and put it manually the degree, we write down the angle with the keyboard. So why I show you line guides? Then, for example, if we are using the pen tool or line, we can one left click of the mouse and start working without doing the math. So something like this, for example, and like this. It's really useful. And supposedly we have those line guides, these dotted lines, in the group of the group of the group. How do we delete all line guides at once? Is we go to the menu bar, we go to delete guides, and that's it. We finish. Another thing, the dimensions is really useful to show all dimensions. So we, with the mouse, one left click, second left click, third left click, I made 3 clicks, and we have the dimensions here as well. We can do one click, second click, third click, here as well. And one click, second click, third click, and we can move a little the mouse until we see the line like with that angle, parallel lines, and we have it. I really use these type of tools, dimension, because for example, if I'm working in this surface and I'm gonna move this 1 feet to up, for example, I want 1 more feet. So select the line M, that is the shortcut of move, one left click, and I can move it up 1 feet, for example, and I have it. And here you can see, oh, okay, I have 3/4 more that I need to move, and you can put like 1/4 and all those things. It's really useful when you are doing modifications, so you are modifying something to see the measurements and all that. This is just an example. We can see in future videos a real example of a bathroom, something like that. So as well, we have text. So for example, if we want to say someone that this is a surface with X material or something like that, we use this tool. So we press one left click, second left click, and here I can write down something, enter, or one click outside, and we have it. Then we have 3D text. Section plane, I don't use it in this, like this button. I prefer to have it like in our toolbars that we have here. We already saw a video about section planes and how to use sections. But yes, you have the same symbol in large tool set, but I don't use it from here. I suggest to use it here, like all this area that you have all the tools of section. So then the last one is 3D text. Here we can create a text with volume. So for example, we can write down something here. For example, here we can choose the type font. Then if we want bold or italic or regular, so this is dependent on what we want. If it's aligned to the left, to the center, to the right, if we are creating like a lot of text, we can check where we want to center or align to. The height of this text and the depth of that text. So then we can place this, if everything is okay, we can place this text. In case we want to make it like modify the dimensions of this text, maybe we can with scale. For example, if we want to do it like with not so much depth, we can do it with scale in this particular point, in the exact center. And if we want to modify it like in a proportional way, we can like modify it like this, but we need to press Shift to do it like in a proportional way, and must be in the middle of this corner. So not in this one or this one, but yes, in this one. How do we check that is like precise where we are selecting? We need to do a lot of zooming. Hope this information is useful, and thanks.